In front of me is OUKITEL RT5, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Library on the left. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, find all of your photos you wish to delete. Hold one of them and use those type of dots at the top left corners to select multiple. To keep some, tap on the chosen ones, and to delete the rest, use the spin icon at the top. Then hit got it and move to trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!